Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I will walk you through how to report a suspicious seller. So why you might need to report a seller. Cash App is widely used for buying goods or paying for services, but if a seller behaves dishonestly, such as not delivering items after payment or sending fake tracking numbers, or third, becoming unreachable after the transactions, or requesting more money unexpectedly, or showing signs of scamming behavior, so it's crucial to report them to Cash App immediately. What happens when you report? When you report a seller, Cash App review the transaction detail and user activity. If fraud is found, they may restrict or ban the account. Then, you may also guide to file a refund or dispute if eligible. And note here that reporting doesn't guarantee a refund, but it helps protect others and supports your own cases. So here's how to report suspicious seller on Cash App. Open your Cash App on your phone, then tap the Activity tab, which looks like a clock icon at the bottom right. Then find and select the transaction with a suspicious seller. Then tap the three dot in the upper right corner and select Need Help and Cash App Support. Then tap Dispute this payment or report a problem based on an app version. Then choose the most relevant reasons such as item not received, scam, or unauthorized activity, and then follow the prompts to submit a report. Once submit, Cash App will send updates via email or in-app support messages. And here are some extra protection tips for you. That is, never pay sellers you don't know personally or through verified platform. Avoid offers that seems too good to be true, and always verify profiles, especially if paying for products or services from a seller not listed on trusted website. And last, use your linked credit card if possible. Is offer better fraud protections than a debit card or Cash App balance. So what if you have already scammed? If you believe you have already scammed, then follow the reporting step above and contact your bank or card provider if you want to dispute the charges. Save all the screenshots, chats, or email with the seller. Cash App may request this. Now, the follow-up is you can check your report status by visiting the activity section, then selecting the transaction and tapping the support, or by contacting Cash App support directly via the app. Go to profile and then tap, then search for report seller or transaction issue. So my final advice is Cash App not is designed as a retail marketplace, so always be cautious when you're using it for business with strangers. If something fails off, report it quite quickly, and you may help yourself or many others to stay safe from scams. And that's it. Start using Cash App for your business today. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more money saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.